Here is how you can move Epic Games to another drive. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can move Epic Games to another drive. So let's start. In order to change the drive of your Epic Games, you will have to uninstall the application at first, then after reinstall it in new location. So before uninstalling the application, make sure to create a backup folder of your information on Epic Games. Then after uninstall Epic Games. For that, go to search on taskbar, then type remove programs. Click on this add or remove programs in control panel. A window like this will open. Now in order to uninstall Epic Games, search for Epic Games. Click on the three dots on the right side of Epic Games launcher. Then after click on uninstall. Furthermore, click on uninstall and the launcher will be removed. After you have uninstalled Epic Games, locate the downloaded Epic Games launcher file and reinstall it. While reinstalling the application, you will get this option to change the destination folder. Now click on change and select the new drive where you want to download the application. After that, finish the installation process. As you complete the installation process, the Epic Games launcher will be shifted or moved to a new drive. So in this way, you can move Epic Games to a new drive. That's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.